I'm voting. Is that the 5?
Make sure it came out.
You want me, Moshe, you want to be under the vote thing?
Yeah.
Come.
Yes.
How do you do a picture of it?
That's
Oh, it's a movie? Okay, what are we doing today, Moshe?
nothing. We are Carol.
Wait a minute, don't I have to do it this way?
Yeah.
There we go, I did it the wrong way.
Yeah.
What are we doing today, Moshe?
Carol supposed to vote.
For what? Yeah, for the president, for the new... Right. But don't say who I'm voting for. This is where we go in. Don't say who I'm voting for. Vote here. Here, listen, it's in Hebrew. Voter aquí. I don't think... That's Spanish. That's
Spanish, not Hebrew.
He was kidding. Here we go.
Here we go.
I can't get it.